you've had a long day and you've had a day which has been really good, interesting, insightful, heavy information uh, being thrown your way. So any day, there is an old adage which says, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And we don't want you to be dull, right? Every one of us speakers have alluded to it. I'm sure your professors have spoken about it in different parts, that studies are important, career is very important, but so is a balance. So to bring that on, I am very happy to bring our next set of activity for the day. It is a fun-filled activity, and in this case, we have brought in one of the best global team engagement players with us. They are called Team Activators. We have Febin from Team Activators, who will be leading this entire session. To give a little bit of brief about Team Activators, they are a global team engagement company. They have done over about 2,000 odd sessions, and you'll be happy to know a lot of these activities they've done it online. So there's nothing that they can't make you do. I have seen eclectic videos of them where they've made people jump and scream and run and fetch everything on the screen, and they've really done this, guys. So if you all prefer that you all get a 2-3 minutes break, I'm going to just say 2-3 minutes, because Febin and all have been very excitedly waiting for you guys for the last 10-12 minutes. And if you all need a break, I would just recommend go get the adrenaline pumping, because something really cool awaits, guys, and this is just the first of many to come.
By the way, thank you, Neha, for such an amazing introduction. You kind of hyped up, right? So, guys, before we start with the session, there is something very, very important that I want you to do for me. Number one, every single person on this call, please switch on your video. We want to see who you are. I want to see, how you look. It's okay. You can adjust see how Hemant was combing his hair while getting ready. It's completely all right, even if you have an absolutely terrible background. All right, I can give you stories where there's no power, there's no internet. So I've connected my hotspot, and then with a mobile flashlight, we conducted sessions. Let me give you a brief, okay? I think Neha would have already introduced, would have given an idea about what we are. Guys, my name is Febin, all right? And I'm a corporate trainer, and I have my friend and my colleague, Mr. Ashwin, on the call. Ashwin, would you please say hi?
Hey, what's
All
up?
right, that's Ashwin. So we are here with something very, very interesting. Okay, so what we used to do was pre-COVID days, we used to go into a lot of colleges, schools, corporate offices, or whenever they used to go out for their team outings or conferences, we used to go in and conduct a lot of, so yeah, games, exactly. And once all this COVID thing started, okay, we were figuring out. We used to conduct it for the teams from different countries, but for India, we never had that opportunity. And then from the month of April, we realized, okay, what do we do? First thing what we did was Google online group games. Okay, is there something that we can, come up with? And then we figured out, okay, it's going to be a terrible idea doing that. So we came up with an original version of a very, very interesting activity, which all of you are going to play now. Okay. So, and by the way, for the next 1 hour, it's not going to be a webinar. Okay. So I'm not just going to speak throughout, and then you're not just going to sit and listen to me or switch off your video and then go for a coffee or go for a walk and come back. No, absolutely not. So this is not going to be a webinar, number one. And number two, this is probably be the most important thing. I want you guys to speak. Okay. And by the way, I think we are overall 6 different hosts and co-hosts for the meeting. If we see you sitting silently without participating, we have a small button to unmute you and switch on your videos. We'll click that. Okay, so let's not do that. So just make sure all of you chill, relax. So I gotta tell you this session is going to be as relaxed as I can see a lot of you sitting on your study desk, work desk, listening to this in an intense thing. Don't do that. If you want to go lie down on your bed and attend the session, absolutely fine. All right. So you are as cool as doing that. Keep your videos on. If you want to get a coffee or if you're going to get some lays or munchies, come sit and have. Absolutely no problem. Okay. So that is the kind of, response and attitude that I want from you guys. So everyone ready? All good? Good to go? I didn't hear the response. I told you to speak. You're
Yes.
just showing actions.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Ready?
All right. Perfect. Okay, cool. So, Ashwin, my colleagues, meanwhile, is going to share a team list. So we have segregated all of you into team number one, team number two, and team number three. This is going to be a competition. Okay. So everyone, please go to the chat screen and figure out which team you belong to. Okay, come on, everyone. Go to everyone. I hope you can see the screen. Can you?
Yes.
All good. Perfect. Okay. So behold the game that we call the brain freeze. I have no idea why we named that, but still it's called the brain freeze. Okay. So what you see on the screen here, you can see there are a lot of boxes, a lot of colors, a lot of numbers. Okay. And on the top, if you look carefully, you can see there are certain things written. Okay. You can see movies, you can see celebrity, corporate, and then another blue truth or dare. Keep that in mind. And then sports, anything is fine. That's also something interesting. Anything is fine. India, feeling lucky and advantage. Okay. So the last two columns, the orange one and the gray one, forget about it right now. Okay. So you don't have to think about it. Those are your game superpowers. Okay. So that will come into play later in the game. I'll explain. So you don't worry about it. Don't think about it. But this is how the game is going to go. So right now we have team one, team two, and team three. Okay. So we're going to start with round number one. So what team one you'll have to do is team one captain will say, come on guys, what topic are we going to choose? What number are we going to choose? So you have to choose a topic and a number. And then once I open up the number, there can be two things under it. Okay. One, it can be a question. Okay. Or it can be a task. If it is a question, easy peasy, discuss as a team, 30 seconds and answer. If it is a task, whatever the task asks you to do, you will have to do it. Okay. And the most interesting point of this game is only once you open the number, you will get to know how many points are associated with the game, the task as a question. That's also a surprise. So some can be low scoring one, some can be higher scoring one also. Okay. So without delay, let's get into the game, and we have multiple rounds. And as I told you, the most important factor is you need to help your teammates. You know which team you belong to. Your captain is going to call out. Please don't sit silent. Okay. And can we start the game with a small smile, everyone, on your face? You don't have to sit so tensed, please. Okay. Look at how Brinda is smiling. Now Akshay is smiling. This is how you should go. So, everyone, get ready. We're going to start. Team number one. Captain, please have a discussion. Choose your first topic, first number. Come on, go for it.
All right, so everyone who's in team one, I mean, what do we choose?
Come on, give suggestions.
Movies.
Movies. Okay. Movies
Okay, and
has
we have to
be
pick
the
the number
topic.
two, right?
3.
Vandana, you can choose a
Three.
number.
One,
No
one.
problem.
Three?
Three?
Three.
Three?
Yeah,
Otherwise,
Okay.
just pick the number. That's it.
Okay, going ahead with movies number three. I always get these movies to start with. Okay, let's see if you're lucky enough. There are a lot of movie fans in here. Pakka? It can be Hollywood, it can be Bollywood. Okay, let's see how it goes.
1 second, Febin. Some student, Ayush, his screen has frozen and he's requested to wait for a second.
All right. Oh, sure.
Maybe his team members, you all know which team he is in. Just fill up for him, please.
Okay. Cool. So we'll wait, we'll continue.
No, we'll continue.
All right, cool. So here the game starts. Round number one. Okay, team one. Here goes your movies number three. All the best. It is such a simple question that you get. Identify the movie from this frame. You get 10 points, by the way. It's a decent one. Okay, it's a very simple question to start with. Number one. Come on. Which is his movie?
Guys, a little help here. I'm kind of clueless.
Can I help?
Swadesh.
Only team one. Only team one. If team two or team three answer, you get the point.
Swadesh. Swadesh.
Okay, what is he doing in Swadesh? Tell me if you watch Swadesh.
I think he's heading to the orphanage. I'm not too sure. Not orphanage, the old age home. Sorry.
I'll give you 15 seconds to finalize the answer. Is there any other answer apart from Swadesh? Come on.
I think it's Dil Se.
Harsh think it is Dil Se. What does he do in Dil Se, guys?
Swadesh, you can identify the mother.
Yeah,
Come
yeah,
on.
Swadesh only.
I think it's
Yeah, I think it's Swadesh only.
he's wearing that iCard also.
Okay. 10 seconds. 8, 7. Captain, we need a final answer.
Captain
6.
Swadesh.
I think we're going with Swadesh. Like that seems to be
Sudesh.
the common
Okay.
consensus.
Locking on Sudesh for you. And let's see what the correct answer is. Team 1. Congratulations, you belong with the wrong answer. Good job. It is Dilse. I'm really sorry,
That's bad.
but
Someone
who
was shouting, they'll say.
yeah, who said Dilse? It is Harsh, right?
Harsh said it's this.
Harsh, I'm really sorry you weren't
Sorry,
recognized
Harsh.
in middle of lot of wrong answers. No worry, buddy. Team number 2, it comes for you. Team number 1, no problem. This is nothing. You just lost 10 points. Okay. Now, team 2, and by the way, I forgot about one thing. You're not allowed to choose the same topic that was chosen by the previous team. It should be something else. Okay? Perfect. Now, team 2, coming back to you. Please choose your topic and your number. Come on.
Guys, since a lot of celebrities are in the news,
Celebrity.
Celebrity.
sports,
Number 2.
Sports. I can hear sports and celebrity. What do I choose? Come on.
somebody
Celebrity?
said celebrity.
Celebrity. Yes.
Okay. Celebrity. Number. Come on.
Number 2.
Four.
Captain.
Okay, go for 4.
Opening up celebrity number 4. I guess this is a question. Okay, let me see what it is. Celebrity number 4 coming up for team 2. Who is the celebrity in the audio clip? Absolutely interesting. So, team number 2, listen carefully. Okay, I'm going to play an audio. The only thing you're going to do is identify who the celebrity is. And by the way, this is a very high scoring question. It got 25 points. Okay. So listen carefully, everyone. Volume up. Okay, here it comes.
We were doing a show at the Regal Theater in Chicago, and it was like a talent show type of thing, and we won. And Gladys Knight was there, as well as a guy named Bobby Taylor, and they told Motown about us. We were doing a show at the Regal Theater in Chicago.
Okay, that's it. Team number 2. Who is this? For now, you'll be 100% sure this is not an Indian. Is there an Indian with such an accent? An Indian actor? No.
No.
All right. Okay, so who is the celebrity?
Can we Google?
That is the only thing banned during the session. Okay. So, just because Ruben got it up, we're going to introduce a new rule. I'm really sorry. So, whenever your team chance come, once I'm done with the topic or the question, all of your hands goes like this on screen. Okay. So that you don't Google. I need to see both your hands on the screen. Okay. Now, team number 2, you got 20 seconds to answer. Come on. Who's the celebrity?
Can we hear it
No
one more
idea.
time?
Okay, what's that? Nicole Kidman.
Nicole Kidman.
Rajinikanth.
That's a wonderful suggestion, by the way. I didn't say it's a correct answer. Is that Nicole Kidman?
Yes. No, Chicago.
No, she doesn't do theater, dude.
Yeah, she doesn't.
Comes from. She doesn't do theater. It's a stand-up comedian or a theater actor.
No, I'll tell you something.
I know
I'll tell you
why
something.
feels Kim Kardashian, because I remember reading somewhere that Kanye West visited Regal Theater.
Oh yeah.
No, but Kim Kardashian doesn't have such a low voice.
I think
15 seconds.
Yeah. So because
15
None of the
seconds.
Kardashians have a very eaky voice. They don't have
I'll tell you
such a-
something. Listen, guys.
just
Whatever
pick
you
one.
discuss, listen. When I show you the answer, you will be like, oh,
Is it
that's
Rajat?
what's going to happen.
He was
Meryl-
whispering, so maybe.
I don't know.
Final answer in the next 5 seconds. Come on.
Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra.
Just say
it doesn't sound like
yeah, it's okay.
She has a fake accent sometimes. Yeah, she has a fake American accent sometimes.
Yeah, bro, let's go
yeah.
for PC.
Okay, Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Okay,
screw
I'm
it.
going with Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
And this is not just for team 2, okay? Team 1, team 2, team 3, all the faculty, everyone, behold the answer. The answer is Priyanka Chopra, and the correct answer is, everyone,
that's wrong.
put it on full screen and look at the expressions of the others, okay? Other people.
Oh!
Really?
Michael.
This is too tough a
told
question
you.
here.
You listen to Michael Jackson, I don't know since how long, And when the legend speaks, we cannot identify who that is. This is probably one of his most famous speech which he gave. Like, I don't even want to go more, so it's okay. So team 2, unfortunately, you don't get any score here. You'll lose a wonderful opportunity to score 25 points. It's okay, no problem. We have a lot of rounds left. Now, team number 3, coming back to you. Please choose a topic and a number. Captain, go for it.
Okay, guys. So what do we choose?
India.
India will never let you down.
Okay.
India.
Okay.
Number.
Which number?
Number 3.
Number?
3.
Okay. Okay. Number 3 then. I mean.
Okay. Team 3 is really confident with India number 3. Let's see what you have. Opening up, India number 3. Here it comes. Identify all these personalities. Okay, this is also a question. 25 points, by the way.
Yeah.
One by one. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is such a simple question. I don't know why all of you got questions.
The first one is Gokhale, right? If I'm not wrong.
Fantastic.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Number 1 is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 2 is Rai
Jhansi Ki Rani.
Lakshmi Bai. Third one is the
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri and then Rajendra Prasad.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm basically going to take Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Rajendra Prasad, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant, team 3, 25 points. The first round. Fantastic, I love it. All right. So it was only team number 3 who opened their entire score bank in round number 1. With that, we come to an end of round number 1. Each and every one of you had one question. Okay. Now, you have finished off movies, celebrities, and India. And what's remaining is corporate, truth or dare, sports, and anything is fine. So in the next round, you get to choose only from these topics. So we got to finish all the topics once, okay? And then we will move on to the rest of it. So team number 1, coming back to you, carefully choose a topic and a number. Come on. Team 1.
Are they?
Anything is fine.
Sports.
Anything is fine.
Let's do sports.
Anything is fine.
Yeah, okay, anything is
That's
fine.
the safest as of
Yeah, anything is fine.
Satakshi, you never know. All right. So, number please. Anything is fine. Number.
1.
One.
Yeah, one.
one.
Pakka?
Yes.
All right. Team number 1 is going for anything is fine. Number 1. Trust me, this is going to be something very interesting. Okay. Let's see if you can do it, team 1. Opening up, anything is fine. Number 1. Decode and sing the song from this picture. So look carefully. You can identify a song. It's not a scene from any songs. That picture, the meaning of the picture is a song. And you have to identify the song, and someone from your team will have to sing the song as well. Only then you get the points. Come on. Come on. Team 1.
What is that prop?
That's a Ben 10 stick.
Is it Balam Pichkari?
Harsh says Balam Pishkari. I'll tell you something. You know which I've got one answer. So I think I've 100 to 250 times, and the most common answer I've got is "Baby ko base pasand hai." That is what I got. Do you think of that's the answer?
But is this a Pichkari?
But why they wearing cricket helmets? I mean, what
Oh yeah.
Let's identify him now. There is camera.
10, 9, 8,
Harsh, you take the call this
7.
time.
This time you're going to go with Harsh?
Yeah, looks like Balam Pichkari.
We don't know anything else. You might as well take that.
Come on, team 1. Anyone else? Any other suggestion? One last suggestion.
Come on.
Come on, team 1. Team 1.
Related to the shot we play in hockey. Hockey game.
Yeah, does this have nothing to do with sports?
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with Balam Pichkari for now. Okay, let's see what it is. Team 1, this is a question for 20 points. And again, unfortunately, the correct answer was Balam Pichkari, jo tune mujhe mari. Harsh,
Thanks, Harsh.
congratulations.
Thank you.
On the second try, you have 20
Thank you.
points for your team. And by the way, I'm not going to give you those 20 points until and unless someone sings that song from team 1.
Captain, go ahead.
Huh.
I really don't know the words to this song.
Someone.
A guy
It's a-
should sing.
Or?
Harsh,
Harsh, you only sing.
Go for it.
Harsh, go for it.
ठीक है बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई.
No, this is not Farhan Akhtar Shairis. You have to sing it like that song, okay, for sure. Come on, Harsh.
बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई.
Enough. 20 points. Good job. Fantastic job. That was so simple. Team number 2, congratulations. You opened up your scoreboard with 20 points.
Fun.
Now going back to team number 1. Team number 2, coming back to you. Corporate truth or dare sports. Come on.
Sports.
Sports. Okay. You're going for sports. Number.
Number 2.
2.
Number 2?
2.
Okay. Opening up sports number 2. I badly hope this is a task for you. Let's see. Identify the team anthem from the audio. So again, it's an audio thing. So how many sports fans you are from team 2? And a lot of sports fans. Okay, that's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play an audio which is a team anthem. It's not a national anthem. It's a team anthem. Okay, like you heard Manchester United with Glory, Glory Man United. So those kind of anthems. It can be a cricket anthem, football anthem, basketball anthem, hockey, badminton, whatever. It can be anything. So the only thing you will do is you have to identify which team anthem it is. Okay. So team number 2, listen carefully. This is going to be interesting. Okay, that's enough. Team 2. You want a clue?
Again.
You want a clue? Team 2?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes,
Give the clue. Okay, the clue is you heard the anthem clearly, right? Properly, right?
Not
Okay,
really.
No,
I heard something Salt Lake.
Yeah.
I heard some Salt
Listen.
Lake something. What's Salt
The
Lake?
name of the team,
Salt
they
Lake Stadium.
already did mention it
Salt
twice.
Lake. What? is
What?
Salt
I'm
Lake?
sorry.
The
What
name of
was
the
it?
team, they
Wait, let
already
him give him the
mentioned it
clue.
twice.
Salt
the audio.
Lake. What is Salt Lake? Ruben. I don't
Salt
know.
Lake Stadium.
I
It's
don't
in
know.
Kolkata, right?
But that's
So that
not
could
a
either be
name.
either Mohan Bagan or
Mohan Bagan. No, it's not
or
Mohan
it could
Bagan.
be East.
Sorry?
Can be Mohan Bagan or Kingfisher East in FC. So we
10
can,
seconds.
or even Atletico de Kolkata. So 3 teams from Kolkata.
Pick one.
Go for Mohan Bagan.
Five.
Atletico de Kolkata because ISL is the major league right
4.
now. Or do you want to go with Mohan Bagan?
3,
I'd say
East
Mohan
Go with
Bagan.
anything, dude. Anything.
2.
Mohan Bagan.
Atletico de Kolkata.
Atletico de Kolkata. That was fantastic deduction of the answer. Okay, a lot of serious discussions going on into the choosing the final answer. And my dear team, the correct answer is Real Madrid. So I'll tell you what. The reason why I told you that right at the beginning about Manchester United that you'll get some hint. It is an international football team. And I also told you that they already mentioned the name of the team twice while they were singing the anthem. Listen to this. So, did you hear them saying Hala Madrid, Hala Madrid, Hala Madrid again and again and again? It's okay.
It wasn't clear enough.
Yeah, it was purposefully done, Abhishek. How can I let it go so easily? So
Our luck is not in the way.
team number 2, no problem. Okay, still coming up. Team number 3, coming back to you. Please choose your topic and a number. And you have truth or dare left and corporate left. Let me see what you're going to choose. Do you have the guts or do you want to keep it simple?
Corporate.
Yeah, okay.
Corporate. Seriously, I thought someone will choose truth or dare. Okay, corporate number.
4.
4, yeah.
Yeah, 4.
4, okay. Opening up corporate number 4. Again, that's such an easy question for you. Corporate number 4 coming up. Identify this famous business tycoon. If you do not identify it now, out of the
Azim.
meeting. Absolutely.
Azim Premji.
Guys, Asim Premji is clean shave.
No, it's Azim Premji.
Pakka, Vignesh and Asim
Yes,
Premji is clean
it's
shave.
Azim Premji. It's Azim Premji.
100% Azim Premji.
100% Asim Premji. So the
I'm
correct
sorry if
answer
it's
is
wrong, I do not know, but still it's Azim Premji. I'll go with Azim Premji.
such confidence, and how can I not give you the points? 10 points to team number
Yeah.
3. Congratulations, team number 3. Easy peasy 10 points for you. Okay. With that, we come to the end of round number 2. So far, you were so lucky that you didn't land up in any of the tasks. Okay. Now, team number 1, 2, and 3. This is where the nature of the game is going to change. Okay. Remember I told you about feeling lucky and advantage? Okay. So before you go with round number 3, what you have to do is each team will have to select one number from under feeling lucky. Okay. So if you ask me what's under feeling lucky, it's basically like spinning your wheel. There won't be any questions or tasks, but you will get certain superpowers or might not lose some powers as well. So you don't know what's going to happen. But right now, we're going to start with round number 3, and team number 1, you're going to select one number under feeling lucky. So everyone ready? All good?
Yes.
No, without responses, I'm not going to go ahead.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Perfect. Okay. Coming back to you, team number 1. Please choose your topic and a number. Come on. And by the way, sorry, you only have truth or dare left. So I'm really sorry. Choose a number.
1.
Let's take number 5.
5.
5.
1.
5.
1.
1 or 5?
1. Come on.
5.
Captain,
1 then.
what do you do?
1, sir. Yeah,
1?
1.
Pakka? Okay. Opening up truth or dare number 1. Let's see if it is a truth or a dare. Okay. And team number 1. It is a dare. Okay. So this is where things get interesting. So, but before that, you forgot one thing. Remember I told you?
Feeling lucky.
Yeah?
Didn't you say we have to choose a number from feeling lucky?
Yeah. And why didn't you choose feeling lucky? You don't want
Because
feeling lucky?
No, because you said that you will be truth or dare.
Okay. So do one thing. This is going to be even more interesting. We're going to open up the dare. Let's see what the dare is. Okay. Then we'll go back and open up feeling lucky and then see how it works. Okay. Perfect.
All right.
Cool. So team 1, here comes your dare. Introduce your family on the video to the team. Okay. So team 1, this is how it's going to work. Listen. So you can see there is something written, okay, +5 below, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is, you have to introduce one person. So say, imagine if 10 of you introduce, you're going to get 5 into 10 points, 50 points. Okay. If 10 of you introduce. And you have to introduce only one person in, and keep this in mind, your pet is also your family. Okay. So you can introduce your pet as well. All right. And everyone, the rest of you, when they introduce their family, don't just sit like this, like a mummy, just looking at them. Don't stare at them. And first of all, it's really awkward for them. Okay. They'll be like, first day of this, the program, okay, crazy things are happening. And you're introducing your family on the video in front of 70 people. So say a hi. All right. So keep this in mind. And before we start with the dare, what we're going to do is, let us go open up that feeling lucky. Okay. Team number, no, wait. I'll tell you when to start. Don't bring in your family now. So team number 1, captain, please choose feeling lucky.
5.
5?
Yeah.
You can, okay. Team, everyone okay with 5? I'm going to go with 5.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So opening up feeling lucky number 5, and here it goes. 2x points for the next question. Okay. So this was your advantage. So now, do you realize what's going to happen right now, team 1? So imagine you introduced 8 of them. Okay. So you get 40 points and it doubles. So it becomes 80 points. Okay. So make sure we need maximum participation. And by the way, we only have 1 minute to do this. Your time starts one by one. If you are introducing, say I'm introducing and start speaking. I'll call out your names. Okay, Priyal, go for it. Everyone silent. Priyal, go for it.
Younger brother Anuj.
Hi.
Hey, buddy. Nice to meet you. Sorry to embarrass you. All right. Thank you. We have one done. Next. Declan, who is this?
This is my dog Benji. Benji, say hi. Look
Hey,
in the screen.
Benji.
This is my dog Dopri. Say hi.
Nice to
I'm
see
actually
you.
in the car, so this is my mom. Hi. This introduction is soon after somebody introduced their dog, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is my dog.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you introducing, guys. We should take a picture.
Hi.
Can all of you?
Hi
can
from
all of you
my mom.
hold your pens?
Look inside. I look inside.
Let me also
introduce my brother Abu Nasser. Hi.
He's my elder brother.
Hello.
Elder brother.
This is my mom. Hi.
Thank you, Satakshi.
This is
Thank
my
you.
nephew. Find something.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Vandana, who is this?
My brother.
Hey, sorry to embarrass you, but this is part of a something. Okay, so
Hello,
thank you
I'm
so much. So we have 1, 2,
my
3,
elder
4,
brother.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
My elder brother.
Hey, you chill, man.
Younger brother. Okay.
Elder brother.
Last 5 seconds. 11.
We have a pet here.
This is my dog.
Oh, Gaurangi. What's the dog's name?
Thank you, buddy.
Bruno.
Bruno. All right. You can keep the pet with you. No problem. Keep the pet with you. Don't
This is
let
my
it go.
nephew.
Hi, Fatima. What's his name?
His name is Ryan.
Ryan. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
Hey. Hi, Ran.
Hi. All right. Thank you so much. With that, we are officially closing the count at 11. Okay. 11 of you introduced, which makes your points 55 into 2, 110 points for one question. Absolutely brilliant, team one. A big round of applause. I'll have to tell you this, I've never seen such an enthusiasm with any of them to introduce their pets. Okay, even if I say this was just in a few seconds, I could see dogs flying from left and right, but I couldn't see any cat, unfortunately. No cat lovers here, or what? All right, perfect. So, team number 1, fantastic. See from where you went, from where to where. Okay. Now, the only thing I'm scared about is whether karma is going to hit you bad. Okay. Because we're going to give a chance to team number 2 to open up a feeling lucky right now. Team number 2, please open up a feeling lucky. Come on.
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. We're going to go with number 3.
Yeah,
Three.
So, I'm going to open up feeling lucky number 3, and team 2, here it comes. Get as many points as you want from the other team's total.
Okay, tell us how many points other teams has first.
No,
Wait,
Ruben,
I
listen.
can't see the screen.
No. Ruben, listen. Okay. So, you got a big advantage. You can choose any team and reduce as many points as you want. Okay. But you have to choose one team. You cannot reduce from both the teams. And we also not going to tell you which team is leading. Okay, so based on that, you should figure out which team you want to choose, how many points you want to reduce. All yours.
Team 1 has 135 points.
Team 1 has 135 points.
Reduce 1,000 points if you can.
Wow.
So, or else you can also be team 2. You can also be a good child and not reduce any points and then figure out.
No, I don't think we're gonna do that.
This is a game. This is a game. You have to be.
We don't want a fair play award.
Okay, then please choose
Karma
a team. Which
will
team do
bite
you want
back.
to reduce?
Karma will fight
Team
back.
1.
It will.
Team 1.
Team 1, okay.
1,000.
How many points do you want to reduce from team 1?
One power that you have.
They have 135.
Kuch bhi, Chuma, you lost 1,000.
So,
Team 1, you
got
can
around
defend.
140
Where is the
points
team
or
1 captain?
130
She just
points.
ran off. Huh? Please defend your team. Tell them don't reduce. Tell them to choose
130
team
points.
3 or team 1.
what do we get if we
Yes,
don't
please
reduce
be
points?
100 points.
130
No,
points.
no, we don't care. Nobody
That was.
No, you reduce. You go. You
Nobody
please
cares.
reduce.
Vrinda,
Okay,
please
okay,
ask your team
enough,
to do
enough,
something.
enough.
Are
Can I propose?
This is the game. Come on. To win.
Yes,
cares about
Ruben
me?
Come on, silent.
Can I propose
Enough.
something?
We'll lose.
Ruben,
Guys, people are watching.
Enough. Silent.
propose an idea?
Ruben.
Everyone's silent. Okay.
Febin.
Captain.
I think the unanimous answer is choose team 1.
Yeah,
And
but-
just tell me, Ruben, how many points should I reduce?
No, Febin, this looks really statistic. So I have a really good idea. Like,
Okay.
let's take the points of the other team, but if we answer our question, we'll take all the points of the first team.
Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Perfect. That's a fair deal. Fair
This
deal.
looks very sadistic.
So you're saying we're going to open up a topic and a number.
Yeah, we'll
If
get
you
the-
do it right,
Yeah.
you will reduce the points of team number 1. How many points will you reduce?
That point.
That's another way of
The entire point. 135 points transferred to team
Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
To us.
No, won't
You can't
transfer and all, it is
transfer
not there. Okay.
So we won't get any
It goes
points.
with it goes. So, no, reduce 100 points or something like that.
Okay, 100 is fine.
Dude, they've got around
Fine.
120, dude.
So
Dude,
they have
just
135. We should
they have
at least take
130 or
125.
Just deduct
Okay,
everything.
so I'm going to do something. I'm going to open up a topic. Okay. It's going to either be a task or it's going to be a question. If you do it right, I'll reduce 100 points.
Okay.
Perfect? Works?
No, that is not a
Alright.
good offer. That is not a good offer. We'll reduce it otherwise also. Right now. What
Correct.
offer is that, Febin? I
Okay.
said we'll get that.
Ruben, go ahead, man.
Otherwise.
Go ahead with 130.
See,
dude.
I'm being a
130 is the
little,
best
you
answer.
cannot be so harsh. They're your colleagues,
ऐसा
they're your
करो
batchmates.
खेलने ही मत दो आगे
हाँ, the
कुछ भी
question itself is very sadistic. Okay,
Okay.
100 points. Let it be 100. Send
100 points. Okay. So this
100 is too less.
team number 1, I'll have to tell you this.
Too less.
No teams have never received an offer like this that if we answer, only then we'll reduce. Okay. So right now we start praying. Okay, team number 1.
And we
Team
are already
number 2,
unlucky once.
Coming back to you, please choose your topic and your number. Now we are free to choose any topic.
Let's go for truth or dare.
यार dare नहीं करना है क्या यार?
Let's go to movies, yeah.
Movies.
Let's go
Movies.
for
Let's
India.
go to movies. Let's go to
India.
movies.
Make sure it's not an
Let's
audio.
go for India. India.
India.
Corporate seems to be.
India.
Go for
Let's go
India.
for India. No
India.
corporate.
India.
India.
India. Bharat
India.
Mata ki.
Okay.
India.
Starting with India.
India. India.
Okay. Please choose a number. Come on.
5.
Number 1. India is number 1 for us.
India number 1. Pakka?
Yeah.
Number one.
Okay.
Number 1, best in the world.
Opening up India number 1 for team number 2. This is going to be very
Wait, I can't see the screen. I can't
Identify the state. Okay, tell me which
Karnataka.
state this is.
Karnataka.
Sure. Huh?
Yeah.
Karnataka, dude. I'm from the state. Yeah, dude. Karnataka.
Are you from Karnataka?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect, bro. Perfect. Trust you now.
Yeah, Karnataka. Go for
There
Karnataka,
are,
Febin.
Go for it.
there are 29 states in the country. Okay.
It is Karnataka, dude.
That's
Ruben, you're
okay. Doesn't matter.
It's
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Remember recently Andhra Pradesh and Telangana was split.
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
But this is Karnataka, dude. Like,
Okay, so
We
team
trust
number
our
1.
teammates. We trust our
Okay,
teammates.
team number 1.
And he also reads 7 newspapers a day, so he knows what he's talking.
7 newspapers a day. Okay.
Yeah, Anirudh reads.
And team number 1, I did my level best to save your points, but the correct answer is Karnataka. And team number 2, you get 5 points and you reduce a big, huge 100 points from team number 1, and they're all back into the game. All right. Congratulations, team number 2. Fantastic job. Now, by the way, team 2, wait. Team 3 also has a chance. Okay. Now, team 3, this is your opportunity now. Please choose a feeling lucky. Come on.
1.
Okay, 1. 2. 2. What? Okay. 2. Okay, 2.
2 Pakka?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pakka?
Yeah, what's in a number anyway? Yeah.
What's in a number anyway? Opening up, feeling lucky number 2 for team number 3. All the best.
Pay for it.
And your feeling lucky turns out to be hard luck minus 20 points for your team.
It's better than what happened.
This is why, see, you got to trust me. This is why I kept asking pakka again and again and again. Unfortunately, minus 20 points. Ashwin, could you please reduce minus 20? Okay, 20 points from team number 3's total. But don't worry, you still have a lot of chances. Now, team number 3 coming back to you. Please choose your topic and a number. Apart from India, anything else?
Go for truth or dare.
Norita, I didn't know you're such a daredevil, to be honest.
Movies
Okay.
works too.
Sports is okay for me.
Movies?
Sports, movies, who's there?
Movies.
Captain G, come back.
Okay, okay. Anything is fine. Okay, guys, make a quick decision. I don't know.
Go for anything is fine.
Anything is fine. Okay, go for anything is fine.
Let's go.
But what number?
Number,
Movies?
please.
Please go. What's in a number anyway?
Okay, 4.
4?
Oh.
4.
Yeah,
okay.
what's in a number anyway? 4.
What's in a number anyway? Same dialogue. Let's see what's opening up for team number 3. Opening up, anything is fine. Number 4. Here it comes. Complete a task to score 20 points. Okay, fantastic. So team number 3, here it comes. So all you got to do is you have to complete a task. Okay, let's see what the task is. It might be fairly simple. Don't worry. And your task is nothing to do here. Free 20 points. What's in a number anyway? Right? So I don't know how this karma worked again. You reduced that. How many points did you reduce?
20
points. And you
20
got
and
it
got
back
20.
as
Yeah, we
well,
lost
right?
20.
Okay, so you're in a safe zone. Congratulations, team number 3. There was, I don't know, there was 2 consonants. So now going back, with that we come to the end of round number 3. And teams, we don't have a lot of rounds remaining. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to start with round number 4 right now. Exactly like how you chose your feeling lucky. Now we have to choose your advantage. Okay, exactly like feeling lucky. So team number 1, coming back to you. Please choose your advantage. The number.
Number 5.
Number 3.
Number?
3.
Vandana, you pick.
3, Paka. I'll go for 3. Okay. Opening up, advantage number 3 for team 1. Let's see what it is. Your bonus for the game is your score changes to plus 20 of your opponent team score in brackets if they have higher score than you at the moment. So this is how it works. So imagine if you feel that either team number 2 or team number 3 has higher score than you. Okay. If you choose a team, imagine if team 2 has 100 points, your team score will become 120. 20 more. So do you think
you were talking about the karma thing?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. So
That's
do
what
you
I
think
said.
But they
What
need
are
to
you
have the
gonna do?
higher score, right?
Yeah, do you think any teams have higher score than you?
No, I think team
three.
1 and 3 have the same points.
You think you're leading? Pakka?
Sir, are you team 2?
Yeah, but we are only 5 points. So forget
I
it.
think अगर अपना फर्स्ट और थर्ड का सेम भी है तो भी 20 प्लस तो मिल ही जाएगा.
हाँ 20 plus तो मिलेगा ही, ठीक.
So if you're leading, then this doesn't work. But still try selecting a team. What if imagine
Team 3.
of-
Team 3 then.
Obviously.
team 3 has good points than you, more points than you?
I mean, they definitely have more than 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have more points.
Okay, so do you want to go forward with it? Do you think you are leading or team 3 is leading?
I think we are leading.
If you are leading,
5
okay,
points.
then I'm not going to go forward with this bonus. Captain, final decision.
I think we have some 30 odd points.
Okay.
We have 25, Harsh. We have 25.
Oh, okay. I think 3 has around 35. I'm not sure.
So you're going to choose 3?
Mudassar, what happened to our points?
Okay, so Ashwin, please make the team score of team
Yeah,
number
just
1
5
plus
points.
20 of whatever team 3 score is. Alright? Now, thank you so much, team number 1. Please get back. Your topic and your number. Choose carefully. Come on.
Choose.
Sports. Why did
We
you
haven't
choose
done
sports?
enough
Let's
movies, I
again
think.
choose movies.
Celeb.
What do you say?
Celeb या movies?
Yeah, movies, I guess.
Movies, चलो.
Okay. Yep. Get back to movies, yeah.
Movies.
Okay.
Celebrity or movies?
Movies.
Movies.
चलो movies.
Movies. Okay, number.
5.
Pick any number.
Yeah,
5?
5. Sure.
5? Opening a 5? Okay. So, coming up with movies number 5. Okay, here it goes. Guess the actor and movie from the audio. Okay, so team 1, this is how it's going to go. I'm going to play an audio, so you have to guess the actor as well as which movie it is. Okay, don't worry, it's very simple. You're going to get the points mostly. So here comes the audio.
कहते हैं कि जिस पत्थर को छैनी और हथौड़ी की मार से दर्द हो वो कभी मूर्त नहीं बन सकती। जो खेत हल चलाने से दुखी हो वो अनाज कभी पैदा नहीं कर सकता।
Sorry.
Come on.
That's Amitabh Bachchan.
Sounds like Amitabh
Of course.
Bachchan.
If there is anyone who doesn't know this is Amitabh Bachchan, then I don't know what to tell you.
Suryavansham movie.
Movie?
Suryavansham.
एक सेकंड मैं जरा वॉल्यूम कम कर रहा हूँ, 1 मिनट।
Dhruv, don't Google.
हाँ।
Yeah, I think it's Suryavansham only.
Suryavansham?
नहीं मैंने देख लिया हुआ ना।
Okay, he's talking to someone else. I thought he was talking to us.
अच्छा।
Okay. So, come on, team. What's the answer?
Go with Suryavansham.
Amitabh Bachchan and Suryavansham.
Amitabh Bachchan and Suryavansham, pakka?
Yeah.
Guys, this is Amar Akbar Anthony, guys. Come on.
Hey, you're not in our team.
I'll tell you guys, you watch a lot of Sony Max. Stop doing that. The correct answer is Amitabh Bachchan and Suryavansham. So I'll have to tell you this. I think if you open up Sony Max right now, Suryavansham will be playing. It's the most telecasted movie of the country, by the way. So it's an easy 20 points, team number 1. Good job. Now, coming back to team number 2. Team 2, please select your advantage. Go for it.
Five.
Okay. Opening up advantage number 5. Here it comes. Your bonus for the game is your opponent team score reduces by 30 points again.
अरे ये क्या है?
Can we book team A?
This is too brutal. Okay, so
Yeah, this is not good.
Number 1.
I think they are leading. UAE is leading.
I don't know why this happened.
Who has more points?
Okay, so
I
now
think we should
only
reverse the order. The first team, na?
Team number 1 is 40 points. Team number 3 has got 35 points.
35. First team 1.
Team 1.
Yeah.
Pakka, it's going to be team number 1 for sure.
Yeah. Any day.
Ashwin, team number 1, I'm really sorry you're working hard and someone else is reducing your points. But
Team number 1, we will take it as
We
a
have too
compliment.
many enemies.
No, we will
There
take
are
it as
too
a
many
compliment.
enemies. We still have to meet at the fellowship.
So, Ashwin, please reduce 30 points from team number 1's total. Now, team 2,
let
you
team
reduce
number
30
three.
points. Now, let's see how many points you can get.
सबसे बदला लेंगे वहाँ जब मिलेंगे.
Introduction.
Time
Sorry.
Introduction लिया.
Come on, team number 2.
बाद में देख.
Go for it.
Okay, what do you all want to choose, guys? Ruben?
Sports.
No sports. No sports, please.
Truth or dare?
Okay, truth or dare. Why not truth or dare? Yeah, truth or dare.
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare number.
Number
5. 4.
4, macha.
5.
Okay.
4.
Let's go for 4.
Okay.
Anything. Ruben decide. 4 or 5.
Ruben.
4.
Okay, 4.
Opening up number 4 for you.
Better be for a lot
Okay.
of points.
Truth or dare number 4 coming up. It is a dare again. Okay.
Somebody
So
badly
congratulations,
wants to do a
team. You're going to do a dare once more. Let's see what's hidden under the dare. Okay. And your dare is all the team members to dance to the tune played by the host for 15 points.
Let's
So,
do it.
Team number 2, it doesn't come easy. Okay.
Come on, guys.
So Ashwin, please check. Okay, the co-hosts are also going to check. Every single person from team 3, increase your volume. Team 2, increase your volume. Get up, and adjust your laptop screen in such a way that we can see you. Everyone, team 2. I'm really sorry you can do this. Or else you have minus points also.
Let's do one thing. Let all other members of every other team, that's 1 and 3, switch off their videos so that we can see them on a single screen.
Yeah, perfect. Everyone,
Great
switch
idea.
off, except all except team number 2. Everyone switch off your videos. Everyone is switching off when I say team number 2. Huh?
Let's see how brutal can they get with their moves.
Come on, team 2. Everyone, get up. Everyone from team 2, get up. Okay, perfect.
get up, daddy.
Hey,
Okay.
Yeah.
where is dancing, da?
I should see at least 15-20 people on the screen. Okay, everyone ready? Okay, just wait. What genre do you want? Do you want English? Do you want Hindi? Do you want Tamil?
Tamil.
We want local.
Tamil.
Item.
Play Tamil song.
Tamil song.
Okay.
Tamil song,
Okay, wait for it. Here it comes.
Cardi B songs. Cardi B songs.
Cardi B song. Okay. I'm going to play one Cardi B song. Okay, wait for it.
Kendrick Lamar.
No, I'm going to play a Cardi B song. Everyone, ready? Here comes the song in 3, 2, 1, go. Here goes Cardi B.
You gotta be kidding me.
This is an original Bollywood song. Go for it.
Shanjali dance.
So Darjeeling, you're going to dance. Vrinda, you cannot stop. Enough. I'm not going to embarrass you more. Alright. Everyone, please come back and sit. This is what will happen when you ask for Cardi B songs to dance. Okay. So everyone, give a big round of applause to all those who dance. Good work, team. Good. I really loved it. Now, taking this as an excuse, don't find this as an opportunity to switch off your videos and then go chill for the next half an hour. Everyone, all your videos back on. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, everyone, all your videos back on. All right. So
अभी आएंगे ना वहाँ पे हम अभी आएंगे शायद सब वहाँ पे मुश्किल है
now congratulations team number 2 EC 15 points and gained by all of your team members. Good job. Okay, now team number 3, please choose your advantage. Back to you.
1.
Team 3.
1.
Yeah, 1.
1.
1. Bakka?
Yeah. 1. Yeah.
All right. Opening up advantage number 1 for team number 3. Here it goes. Your bonus for the game is 30 free points.
Yay!
So,
Nice.
that was fairly simple. So this is, I don't know how karma is working. One team is taking points, they're getting points. These people are getting points, they're losing points.
Certainly not in our
Did we do
favor.
something wrong today?
Let's see how if karma works again. Now, team number 3, you already got free 30 points. You again have a chance to score more points. So please choose the topic and a number. Come on.
Sports, is that okay for
Team 3.
Celebrity.
You cannot be silent like this. Okay, come on.
Celebrity.
Let's go with celebrity.
Celebrity. Okay, celebrity number. Number, please.
3.
5.
5. 5. 3.
5.
5. Okay. I'm going to go ahead with celebrity number 5. Let's see what you have under celebrity number 5. Here it comes. Simple thing. Who is the richest actor in India and how much is he or she worth? And by the way, if you name the person, you will get 5 points.
This is Shah Rukh Khan.
Akshay, isn't it Akshay Kumar?
Isn't it like
Hands here, hands on the screen.
look at Rajinikanth with all the gold and everything?
Hands on the screen.
Shah Rukh Khan is the richest
Shah
actor.
Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Bollywood actor?
He's just under $1 billion.
Like I know.
Someone from the Bollywood only, not from the Tamil industry.
Guys, listen.
For sure.
Shah Rukh Khan.
If you answer, if you give me the name of the person, 5 points. If you give me the worth of the person in dollars, 15 points. If it's somewhere closer to that,
800 million, 900 million. It's under $1 billion.
$900 million for who? Akshay Kumar?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah
So
Rukh
I'll go
Khan.
with Shah Rukh Khan. Okay.
Yeah.
And $900 million. Cool?
Yeah.
Captain.
Captain.
सब Google कर लेगा इतना देर में.
Captain slept off, huh? Captain.
Captain?
Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, I'm going with Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah.
Went for a coffee, we know. So I'm going ahead with Shah Rukh Khan and $900 million. And the correct answer is, of course, Shah Rukh Khan, but it's $600 million. So
We gave him 300 million more, and which is not disclosed.
Round it off. No, round it off.
Round it off. 600.
Yeah,
$300 million is fine.
It's such a small amount, right? Can you give me compensation from that?
Just 300 million. It's fine.
Yeah, 300
5
million is
points.
undisclosed.
एक movie में
assets.
उतना कर लेगा.
Yeah.
5 points for team number 3. I'm really sorry. Okay. So with that, we come to the end of round number 4. And we are going to move ahead to the last and final round of the game. Okay. So this is a very, 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 very important round. Just make sure, okay, that you choose the proper topic, the proper number. No more surprises, no feeling lucky, no advantage. And I give you the option to choose any topic you want, irrespective of the previous team choosing the same one. The last and final round, team number 1, coming back to you. What are you going to choose?
I think Truth and Dare is a safe bet.
Truth or dare?
What about India?
I don't think there's anything safe here. So.
Celebrity? Truth or dare? India?
हमारे लिए कुछ safe नहीं है तो कर
Anything between celebrity or maybe.
Guys, sports is not that difficult.
Sports. Declan's asking for sports. Give him sports.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been asking for sports for a long time. Give it to him.
Sure. Yeah. Sports.
Okay, number.
Declan, you better answer.
better answer.
5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay. Opening up sports number 5. So team number 1 is going to end their campaign with sports and number 5. And here comes your final reveal. Complete a task to score 10 points. Okay. So team number 1, you're going to, okay. So Declan, you're going to complete this task. Okay. So don't worry. It's going to be a very simple task. Okay. And the task is your entire team to sing the first 30 seconds of the song Waka Waka by Shakira. Entire team doesn't have to sing, only Declan will have to sing this.
I don't know the words.
Yeah, you can
Just
Google it.
Make the sounds. Make the sounds.
Lyrics.
No, Google.
Waka Waka by
allowed.
Shakira. Lyrics.
Google is allowed. Yes. Nobody has to shake their hip or what.
Don't push it, dude. What's wrong with you? I got it in your mind.
today.
It's okay. You've got this, Declan.
I don't know the
Amina,
tune.
Amina.
Yeah, someone said Amina and on. Come on.
Maybe he could sing as well.
You're a good soldier, choosing your
Battles.
Don't worry.
Pick yourself up and dust yourself up and back in the saddle.
Yes.
You're on the front line. Everyone's watching.
Everyone's
You know
watching.
it's serious. We are getting closer. This isn't over. The pressure's on.
You feel it.
But you got it on.
Believe it.
When you fall, get up. And if you fall, cause this is Africa. Waka waka, Sam. Dude, I think that's it.
Enough. Good job.
Great effort.
Killed it, Declan. Killed it. Made Christ proud.
You made Christ proud, buddy.
Oh, you're from Christ University in Bangalore?
Yeah. I think all of us are.
Unfortunately, alumni sitting here. So
Represent.
yeah, so with that, we come to the end of the 5th round for team number 1. Now there are 2 more teams remaining. Team number 2, please choose your final selection. Come on. Sports, fantastic. I love it.
Some of the people don't want
I
sports.
think we should go with Truth or Dare. It's a safe bet.
Truth or Dare.
Truth or dare? Okay, now suddenly all the courage came up. Huh?
Movies, corporate.
Truth or Dare.
Yeah, movies is fine as well.
Movies is fine. Truth or dare, we already done it. Yeah.
House corporate.
No,
Yeah, we can choose movies.
Movies is fine.
Okay,
Yeah, movies
okay,
is fine.
okay. The majority of the crowd says movie. Okay, so movie's number please.
4.
4? Okay. Captain, I'll go with 4. Team 2, Ruben.
Yeah, 4.
Okay. Opening up movies number 4. This is your final selection, team number 2. And here it comes. What is the highest grossing box office film of all time? And what is the total gross collection? Now listen, team 2, all of your hands here. This is a high scoring one. Hands on screen. Okay.
Salman Khan movie, guys.
Listen.
No, it's
Dangal.
Bahubali
It's
actually.
Avatar.
Bahubali.
Listen,
It's
guys.
Hollywood
before you jump in.
also.
Hello,
Yeah,
listen.
just for inflation and all of that stuff. Or what?
No, listen. Team 2, listen, please.
Yeah,
Come
yeah,
on.
tell.
Okay, fine.
Okay. I'm not asking just about India. It's global.
Exactly. This is Avatar.
And you cannot Google.
It's not Avatar. No, it's broken
It's
by
Avatar.
Avengers Infinity War.
Yeah,
then that is the one.
7
No, that was the Avengers
2.7
entire
billion.
series.
Avengers only. Avengers only.
Avengers.
Black Panther. Black Panther.
No, Avengers
Avengers
Endgame.
Endgame is
Endgame.
2.7 billion dollars.
Black Panther. Black Panther.
2.5
No,
billion.
Black Panther is wrong. Black Panther was only
It's
like
Avengers Endgame.
Everyone, enough.
Big Khushi Kabhi Gum.
25 of you speaking at the same time, it's not going to make a sense. So,
Ruba, 2.7 billion.
Worldwide, it is Avengers.
It's Avengers Endgame. It's Avengers
okay,
Endgame.
I'm going to go ahead with Avengers Endgame.
Yeah.
Alright.
2.7 billion.
Vashishthan is saying some numbers.
2.5
I am not
billion.
Arnab Goswami. Stop shouting at me. Come on.
Hey Vashishta, tell the number.
So,
That
I'm going to
2.7
go
billion.
ahead with
2.7 billion.
$2.7 billion and Avengers Endgame. Do you think that's right?
Hopefully.
This answer
Could be 2.8 now. 2.7. We'll fix with 2.7.
Okay. So, opening up the correct answer, and the correct answer is Avengers Endgame with $2.7 billion. What a fantastic score.
Great
points, right?
Absolutely brilliant. You get 25 points. And by the way, $2.7 billion in INR. I've written that amount. Can someone tell me what that amount is?
3,61 crores.
You don't have to count. No, Vashishthan, don't get tensed. It's okay. I'm going to reveal it. Okay. You know what that amount is? The highest grossing movie from
22,000
India is Dangal. Okay. And Dangal collected 2,300 crores altogether worldwide. And Avengers Endgame collected 22,000 crores altogether in INR, which is probably more than Modi ji's COVID relief package, you know that. So that is a collection of Avengers Endgame across the globe, and it is so far the highest grossing movie of all time. So with that, team number 2, you come to an end of your campaign with a fantastic 25 points. Good job. Team number 2, good job.
Good job,
A
guys.
big round of applause to team number 2 now. Now, with that, we are moving ahead to the last and final question of the game. Team 3. All yours.
We'll go to sports.
Okay.
Because
we haven't tried
Let's go with anything is fine. Or truth or dare. Let's do something fun.
because we haven't checked out the sports column.
What?
They
Says
tried
we haven't
sports at all.
tried the sports column.
Yeah.
Sports? Yeah, okay, sports.
You're going
Fine.
sports?
So Vigneshwaran, you're going to take it like
Yeah.
If
That question
if
to you.
I can't guarantee you because I just
Okay, it's fine. We'll
Yeah.
just give it a try. Sports.
Yeah.
Okay. Sports? Pakka?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, take a risk.
Number?
3. Guys?
3.
Yeah, 3.
3.
What's number?
Where is everyone else? Why just like the 3 of us talking?
Come on. Where are the rest of them from team 3? Hello?
3.
Yes, number 3.
Yeah, everyone's here only. Okay, they're silently sitting and watching. Number 3. Opening up sports, number 3. That's such an easy question. I don't want to open it. Do something interesting. Come on. Don't open that.
3. Sports.
Let's do truth or dare.
Oh, we'll do this and then we'll do one more thing. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
And the higher points will be ours.
Okay, choose something else. Don't choose sports number 3.
Fine. Truth
So
or
we'll
dare.
we'll do the 3 thing also and then we'll choose one more thing.
One maybe, question 1 of sports.
Okay, I'm going to open up sports number 3 then because I don't have a choice. So coming up with sports number 3, here it comes. Simple question. Who is the highest paid athlete in the world? Come on, guys.
Roger Federer. Roger Federer.
Seems very confident.
Athlete matlab a cricketer, footballer, basketball player, boxer, everyone is an athlete.
Is it
Don't Google.
Cristiano
I can see
Ronaldo?
hands moving
It's
left and
Roger
right.
Federer. It's Roger Federer. Like they just recently posted it. I read about it. It's Roger Federer.
100% sure.
Yeah, 100%.
Guys, you have to believe Ignatian because he was so.
Yeah, he
confident
seems
with
very
his-
confident. Yep. So, yeah.
I still think it's Messi. So, but
Yeah.
But yeah, I think recently, I mean, I'm not so sure. I'm like Messi and Roger Federer. Like it can be. I'm going with Roger Federer. Like anyway, I'm going with Roger Federer because
CR7.
it's Roger
Okay.
Federer for sure. Roger
Going
Federer.
ahead with Roger Federer and Team 3. I got to tell you this. Unfortunately,
Can we
the correct
guess
answer was
another team?
Yes.
Roger Federer. Fantastic job, Ignatian. All right, good job. I like this kind of confidence, you know, taking up something and then without even letting anyone just interfere the person. Okay, just finishing
He's
it
a
off.
Roger Federer
That's
fan.
fantastic. 15
Because
points.
I adore him so much, and then yeah, I mean, I follow Roger Federer, like so that's why.
All right, cool. So with that, we come to an end of the game. All right. Now it's time to check the results. Teams, which do you think has won?
Team 3.
Is it Team 3, Team 1, or Team 2?
One.
We have a moral victory, you know.
Yeah, team number 1.
I mean, we did not hurt any team. We did not steal any money. Any points.
Exactly.
We won
And we
it
were
by
so
ourselves.
confident.
Yeah.
He's keeping
Okay, so Ashwin, no, Ashwin is doing the scores. Ashwin, can I have the scores, please?
Yeah, but I'm sending you, Kevin.
All right. So there was a fantastic game. Did you guys enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, you want to go for one more round?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You want to go for one more round?
Yes. One more round.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have to go for one more round because we have a tie between two teams in the scores. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to announce the scores yet. Okay. But we know that the tie is between which teams? Come on, guess.
Team 3 and another team.
Team 3 and another team.
Second and third.
But
Team 2
the
and
tie
team
is
3.
between team number 1 and team number 2. All right. So, team number 3, with that, you have
Anyway,
come to
team
an
number
end of
3
your
won.
campaign.
Team number 3 won. So
Yeah, exactly.
Let's
We won.
deduct their points one more.
Deciding for the runner-up.
We won by 100
Win
points.
declared. Win declared.
Let's deduct their points once more. Job done.
Listen, to decide the result, we have to go for a tiebreaker round. Okay. And for the tiebreaker round, there's only going to be one question. Okay. And the answers, the way the answers are supposed to come out, it's not verbally. You have to go to the chat screen and type in the answer. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open up a question of my own will. Okay. I'm going to choose a question. And then the moment I open up, the first team to give me the correct answer, I'm going to keep the entire, chat box open for maximum of 1 minute. Okay, if anyone, you can discuss, you can do whatever you want, or if anyone knows the correct answer, you can type in as well. Okay, so team number 1, team number 2, get ready. All right, so here comes your question. Let me just go back. Everyone get ready with your chat screen, okay? Team 1 and team 2. Okay, so the team which answers this correctly will win it. What should I open up? Guys, which topic do you want?
Sports.
You want sports? You want anything is fine. India, corporate, celebrity, movies, what do you want?
Corporate. Fine. Let's be fair. Anything is fine.
Okay. In that case, I'm going to open up celebrities. Congratulations. And here comes the question. No, not this. Okay. Here comes. Team 1, team 2, get ready. Identify the celebrity in this childhood picture. Come on. First answer wins.
Jaya Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan.
You have to type it out, dude.
You have to type it out. Let's see, the first person to answer is going to win this. Okay, I can see a lot of Abhishek Bachchan. Why is everyone answering Abhishek Bachchan? Just because Jaya Bachchan is holding him. Jaya Bachchan was famous then also. Okay, that can probably be Ranbir Kapoor. What do you think? That can be anyone else. Someone said Shweta Bachchan, just to be safe.
It's Abhishek because he's got the eyes.
Ranbir Kapoor has weird eyes. It can be Ranbir Kapoor. It can be Ranveer Singh. It can be Alia Bhatt even.
रणवीर सिंह को तो नहीं पकड़ेगा.
Facial expressions is saying that it is Abhishek Bachchan.
Okay, so I'm going to see which team has answered Abhishek Bachchan first. Someone said Arbaz Khan, no? Okay. The first answer was given by Brinda. Okay, Brinda, you belong to team number 2, right? 1.
2.
Okay.
2.
And the second answer...
2. Brinda belongs to 2.
Belong to 2. Okay. So, that means the winner of the game is team number 2 because the correct answer is Abhishek Bachchan. Congratulations, team 2. A big round of applause, please. Everyone.
Standing ovation to team 3.
And by the way, aren't you curious to know the scores? How much you have scored? Right? Ashwin, can you please send me the final scores on the chat screen, please? Fantastic. I really loved it. All right. Team number 2. Team 1 and 3. What do you think? Did they actually deserve to win?
No.
Yeah, definitely.
No?
No way. Come on, if our luck got us all those points, nobody can say anything.
They were the
Please
most...
don't ask.
Very
fair.
Team 3 played it very fair. Team 3 played neutral. So team 2 won.
Very fair.
Don't ask from team 1.
Overall, average करके हम जीत गए. चलेगा.
Team 1 took it to their family. Come on.
Team 3 was neutral. Our karma was perfect. So.
Okay, guys. One thing I gotta tell you, I'm not even gonna announce the scores. The reason being, this is not about the competition. The competition is just to make sure that the game goes forward. Okay. So the only intention was just to make sure you interact, you have some fun, talk to a lot of people, you just chill, relax, and
develop animosity with the other team.
Yeah, but still tell us the point, yeah, Febin.
Yeah,
you want the points?
Philip did so much work.
Please tell us the points. Yes.
Okay, team
Just
1.
add 120 in our and then
Team 1, you get 45 points. All right. After all the reduction, increase, everything. Team
Not
2,
bad.
you get 85 points.
Yeah, too
and
good.
Team 3, you get 60 points.
Oh shit, we won.
Team 2 won.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what.
Actually, guys.
Just too good for the others.
I was so shocked.
No, beginning we didn't get anything.
This is karma. Team 2 on.
See, guys, don't worry. All right. So, did you guys enjoy the session? How was it?
Yeah.
Yes, it was very
You did?
enjoyable.
All
After a
right.
long time, we did.
So, guys, this is just a beginning. Okay, you're gonna see me more.
Yes.
All right. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe the day after that. All right. We have a lot more exciting things coming up for you lined up. So before that, I got to remind you of something. 2-3 days back, all of you received an emailer with a few instructions to click a picture and upload it to a and some of you even called. Yeah, I was the person whom you were calling to the doubts. But still, I only have 45 pictures with me. Very bad. A deadline is a deadline, guys. The deadline was 25th. It was given on 23rd. It is just a 10-minute work. You just have to read the instructions, click a picture, and upload it to the drive. As simple as it is. All right. So I'm still keeping it open. Okay. You have time till say tomorrow afternoon. Tuesday afternoon. It's a 10-minute work. It's because the reason why we're collecting is for something very important. You're going to love this. So just make sure that all those who haven't uploaded your picture, who haven't completed that, okay, you finish it and send it. No, why do we need to keep it till tomorrow? Tonight, 12 o'clock. That's enough. Okay, because you delayed it for 3 more days.
Tomorrow 12.
No. It's
tomorrow you won't be
work.
able to. Tomorrow anybody won't be able to because we have a jam-packed schedule.
Okay, so tonight before 12 o'clock, after dinner only you do it. It's a 10-minute work, as simple as it is. Okay, so tonight by 12 o'clock, maximum by 12 o'clock. All right. So make sure you submit it. Okay. 1 second. So keep that in mind that all of you submitted, because once you realize what's going to happen with those pictures, all of you are going to be like, oh, I missed out. You please add me later. No, we're not going to do that. So keep that in mind. And then in the next few days, expect a lot of fun. We have, everyone, I think you have met Neha already. Neha's planned a lot of amazing things for you. All right. So gear up for it. It's not going to be something normal that all of you have done in the past. Really, really exciting things are coming up. So I hope all of you enjoyed.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Okay, perfect. So till we see you next time.
When is the next schedule? When is the next schedule? Are we having daily session or?
Yeah, you'll see. Let it be a surprise. Okay. So we're not going to reveal anything what's going to happen.
It will be good.
Yeah, there'll be sessions every day. Don't worry. So
Don't
most
you think if
probably
we have this
tomorrow,
in
day
the
after
beginning, we'll be
tomorrow, you
charged
will
up?
see me again. Okay. Before that, all of you have fun. You had a long day. This was the first day, right? Enjoy.
Yes.
And then tonight, do one thing for me. If you can do this. I know it's a Monday evening, but I think all of you are going to be free from now on. Today, if you're staying with your family, I know all of you will be cooking. If you're staying alone, that's still fine. For dinner, just make sure you order something really nice. Maybe your favorite dessert or favorite side dish. Anything. Sit, chill, relax, have a good drink, watch a movie, and relax. Can you do that?
Yes.
A closure for a fantastic day. A closure
money.
for an amazing start. Okay. So keeping that in mind, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you,
I'll
Febin.
see you in 2 days.
Thank
Bye bye.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Febin.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone.
So Neha, over to you. Any instructions?
Number 3%.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Neha, you there?
Yes. Very much there.
Neha, so tomorrow morning, I guess we begin with Febin and Ashwin. Is that right?
Yeah. Every day, Febin and Ashwin.
Yeah.
Guys, keep the spirits high. Thank you, Febin, for a lovely session. I think we were all rolling here, seeing the performances. Thanks for being good participants, fellows. That's what
Absolutely.
wins the games. So good luck. And if everyone is okay, we can close for the day.
Sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Have a good evening, and
Thank you
please
so
join in on time tomorrow. See you all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.